I'm going to start with the V here, and you can see how further I'm going up and over my lips. So now I start dragging it down. I'm following the line, and instead of naturally connecting it with the corners of your lips, I prefer to continue with the straight line. I'm just gonna start not right from the upper natural corner. I'm really going very low. So this will be what the shape looks like. Now I'm gonna fill in, especially the corners. I'm going to use this Huda Beauty in color Anniversary, and the next product I want to use will be this DIOR palette, and I want to use this natural nude brown color and add a little bit of depth and definition to my lip structure. So I want to add the shadow just above the lip liner. I'm going to follow what I already drawn with the lip liner. I want to get that dark shadow in the corners of the lower lip. Same with the upper. And to give also the structure, I'm gonna draw a line in the middle, make it like a little triangle here, and try to blend with the rest of the. And finally, I want to highlight. So I will be using the Tilbury